In this video, we're going to learn how to add a fade-in effect to a video, which means making the video slowly appear from black instead of starting instantly. This gives your edit a smooth and professional beginning. Let's start. Place your clip at the beginning of the timeline. By default, Adobe Premiere Pro provides fade handles directly on the clip at both the beginning and the end. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the clip. You'll see a small handle appear. Click on that handle and drag it toward the right. As you drag, you'll notice a small fade graph appearing on the clip inside the track. This graph visually shows how the opacity increases gradually from 0% to 100%. The longer you drag the handle, the longer and smoother the fade in will be. If you drag it a short distance, the fade will be quicker. You can adjust it anytime by dragging the handle again. This method is quick, clean, and perfect for adding simple fade-ins without using extra transitions. And that's it. You now know how to create a smooth fade-in effect using the built-in fade handle in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.